In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for client onboarding. The process may seem complex at first, but by following these steps, you'll find it's quite straightforward and can significantly streamline your onboarding workflow. To begin, head over to your Monday.com dashboard or homepage. Navigate to the option for creating a new project. This is usually labeled clearly, often found in the top left corner of your screen. Once you've located it, click on it to open up your project options. Keep in mind that this step sets the foundation, so make sure you're on the right path by double-checking the page you're on. Next, move your focus to the plus sign button. It typically sits prominently on the interface, inviting you to add new items. Clicking this plus sign will give you several options, including boards to work with. Select Board from the list to proceed. A board in Monday.com acts like a digital workspace where you can organize all your onboarding tasks conveniently. Clicking Board will present the option to create a new board. You'll want to select New Board to proceed further with setting up your client onboarding. Name this board Client Onboarding Tracker to clearly define its purpose and prevent any confusion later. Once named, the system will prompt you to select what you're managing on this particular board. This ensures that everything is appropriately categorized within your Monday.com environment, thus making your board an efficient tool for tracking. After you've specified what you're managing, hit Create Board. This action breathes life into your new board, transforming it from a simple concept on the screen to a functioning tool. With the board created, your next task is to organize it. Click on the Group Title section and create groups